Another day, another sleigh. It's time to eat with my family. I have a burger. Perfection. Ooh, it tastes like diarrhea. It tastes like diarrhea. Well, I'm gonna wash my hand. When I'm done, I'm gonna clean my plate. I'm done. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? So what are we gonna do now, Tegan? Tegan, why are you so fat? Tegan, why are you so fat? Tegan! Hell nah! You just drink Icor. Guys, Tegan's infected. Run. Run. Hell no. Tegan! Why'd you drink Icor, bro? It's so obvious there's a fucking Icor here, bro. Fucking trouble. I like men. You're just a good boy. I'm trying to play for. I ain't Tegan, why'd you drink the Icor? Why'd you drink the Icor, Tegan? Tegan, why'd you drink the Icor? I don't know. It's like because I'm so hungry as fuck. I just drink the Icor. Bruh. How? You fat. That's why you're so fat. You're fatter than Babette. Even though Babette's bigger than the Statue of Liberty, you're more fatter somehow. Like, that's how crazy. Here, take some food. Spits again. Ew. Diabeto. Tegan, why you spit at me? You spit the Icor at me, bruh. Ew, that's so disgusting, Tegan. Tegan, that's so disgusting. That's so literally disgusting. Hey, V. Hey, V. Hey, V. Are you Baka? Baka means S-T-U-P-I-D. Stupid. So I said, are you stupid? Wait! I feel something's wrong. OMG, guys, V is dead. V, are you dead? V? You're just a baka. I ain't trying to baka. I ain't thinking a baka. I'm just a baka. You're just a baka. I ain't thinking baka. I ain't thinking about you. You're just a baka. Baka ba baka. Baka baka ba baka. Baka baka ba ba baka. Ba 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 baka. Baka, ba 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 baka, ba 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 baka, ba 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 baka. Well, I'm just gonna. Well, I'm just gonna go. Well, I'm just gonna go to Dandy. I'm gonna ask Dandy something. Let's go. Okay, we're here. Hey, Dandy. Are you? Oh, hello. Are you gay? Dandy, are you gay? Dandy, are you gay? Oh, hello. Sorry, I've been a little sick lately. What? No. Okay.
Wala pa si Senyor. Wala pa. Tawagan mo na si Senyor mo.
Why is my Why is my laugh like that? Why is my laugh like that, bro? For real, guys. Why is my laugh like that? I don't know. Dandy, are you gay? Yeah, pretty much. Just having fever dreams and a little bit of sickness. Bruh, I have asthma and diabetes and diarrhea. Of course I keep farting. I have diarrhea. Hey yo! You're just a baka. I ain't trying to baka. Boy, you broke my one rule. you ugly baka. Also, Babette, you said you were gonna lose weight last year and you still look the same. Farts again.
Sige.
Also, what was Astro? What was the clapping noise coming from your room when you and Dandy were talking? Not you. Why do you feel sad, Babette? Did you fight? Did you fight? Babette, did you fight? Is that why? Or did you find out you're adopted? Because actually your mom said you're adopted. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, you mean my blueberry cake? Yeah, it's so delicious. Yeah, that's my blueberry cake you're talking about. Me, Cosmo made it. I mean, actually me. Cosmo was useless. He keeps on farting on the food, on the cake. It's mini-me. Yo, mini-me. Mini-me. It's mini-me. It's a mini-me. It's me, but smaller. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Hesitating. I can't get up. Help. OMG, Regan. What the fuck? Take one. I can't get up. I can't get up. Help. I can't get up. Help. Oh, never mind. She got a phone call with her. With somebody. Oh, she said wait. Okay. Wait, Pebble, when did you learn how to speak? Pebble? Nah, he completely ignored me. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Help. I'm dying. Pebble, your twin is killing me. Pebble, follow him. Get him. V? I don't feel good. The Pebble bit me. Tegan, are you okay? Wait, why is Tegan sobbing? Why is Tegan sobbing? Yo, she's gone. Wait. I'm accidentally drinking it. Die.
Tignan mo kung naisali ko na yung pinakulo.
Come back here, Dial. Come back here. I lost him. Because I got to go somewhere else. Babette! Come here. Where did she go? Pebble! The other pebble. This. Down. Attack him down. Hop. Hop. Boom. Take that, Pebble. V, take this. Right.
Yes, sir. Ay, sorry, sir. Substansi po. Salamat po sa mga.
Die.
Yung itsurang yan?
Die, Pebble.
Grabe! Ano to? Joke of the year?
Kilala ko
Senator? CEO? Inisip kong tuloy nga wala yan.
Adik yata
Oh.
yung food best friend eh. Tama nga si Monica.
Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow.
Alis ang pwesta pag ginakaw niyan. Alis!
Eh,